It's May and we're back with Planner Kate stickers. We are going to set up week 19 together. I just love how cute and fun and pretty these stickers are. So I think this is freshly picked. This is May. Like I said, it's Planner Kate. And I did do this May setup, and so you can see that. But I did add things since I did that setup, since we're going away on a trip. And you'll see that when I turn this around. I got some new stickers. I got a new set when I bought them. I got these highlights. This is something I've never used before. I just wanted to try different things and see if I would use them. This has a tracker at the bottom, kind of like what I did with my Happy Place stickers. I don't know, I was thinking maybe of doing that. Maybe this is something I want to incorporate every time. I'm not sure. I don't know if I should put this in the beginning. I guess in the beginning because I'm not setting up the end. And I kind of like these circles, maybe one per week or something. I don't know. So I thought this would be kind of fun and different and add that to the weeklies. I bought a bunch of, I went a little crazy. I bought a bunch of Happy Planner sticker books. So maybe I can use some of that to decorate. And for June, I ordered the Cocoa Daisy. I finally got in and got a subscription, and they haven't shipped yet. And I don't know, because I got the smallest one, I don't know if I can do it for the monthly or not. I may need to just use that for the weeks and then get something for the monthly setup. I would prefer to have June and July month set up now, but I don't have the stickers, so I can't do that yet. And July just came out, or it's coming out this week for Planner Kate, so you know, I'm kind of like this. Or maybe I'll go to a different sticker vendor and do something different. I'm not sure, but you will be here with me. You will follow along with me on this journey of discovering new stickers and layouts and all the things, because I would really like to try something different every month. I've been being very consistent with Planner Kate, and it was fun to do something different last month. So we'll stick with Planner Kate for this month because that's what I have, but to be determined on how it's going to evolve over the next few months. So let's turn this around. Let's set up week 19 together and we'll chat about it at the end. Here is a look at May. I really do love the Hello May sticker. That's one of the reasons why I always go with Planner Kate, because of her little holiday stickers like this. We do have a trip planned at the end of the month. We're going to a wedding for my niece, and I found this washi tape on Etsy. I can link all that, so I'll link that. And I am using my, here, let me show you. I don't know if you've seen, but I'm using my undated rose as a travel planner. And I did a video on this, so if you haven't seen it, you can check that out. But maybe I'll show you that at the end. But anyway, this planning is going in that rose. And then let's quickly go back and quickly look at what happened with April. So this is week 18, and this is where I'm using my Happy Place stickers, and I really enjoyed how they turned out. This is the tracker that I was talking about that I used, and I did well in water, not so well in the other ones, but definitely I didn't read. And then this was it. And then I had all these stickers in here for exercise. And yeah, maybe I need to move these to my May, because I need to move those. As you can see, I did okay. I didn't do great in the days that those stickers were on. See, this is the 23rd. Oh yeah, I did do the 23rd. So that was actually a good one. What did I do? 28 and 29. Yeah, I didn't come back and put that in here. So did I do anything on the 28th and 29th? Oh, yes. So I could go back into my habit tracker and add those. But anyway, you're seeing real life here. And it's very early on Sunday when I'm filming this, so there's nothing today. So let's get into week 19. I do have these stickers from Planner Kate, freshly picked. I'm back to the Laurel Denise standard horizontal for the week headers. And then I have the washi tapes. I'm going to try this Plum 7x9 monthly dashboard. What else do I have in here? I have a bunch of stuff. This is what I set the monthly up. This is the 7x9 monthly. I did this 7x9 monthly too for the monthly. I have this. I love this one because it has the weekend in here that I can use and all these little stickers. This is last month. I guess I can put away. And then I have a whole bunch of stickers. And then I like these thin washies to use. So yeah, let's get into it. I will be quiet. I will set up week 19 and then we'll chat about it at the end. I realized that I had used these stickers right here and here because I thought I was going to go for week 5 to Planner Kate. I ended up sticking with my happy place. So I did put this here for week 18 and then I put the green for week 19. So maybe I will switch these out. I'll use these now because I already have this sticker here, but because these are movable, maybe I'll take a sticker from my happy place and move this. Maybe, I don't know. I think I'm going to keep it just like this, very simple. I still need to add in the weather right in the habit tracker right here. When I was putting down the stickers before, I was thinking, oh, I'll use the green ones. And then I went in with the orange ones and I realized it's Mother's Day. And I thought, you know, this is more appropriate color. So while I was initially kind of like a mistake, it's not really a mistake. And then I decided to use the sticker that came in this and just do the May highlights over here. And I figured do this here. And because this was long here, I used the circle here and these kind of colors. So I'm just loving how this is turning out. I'm getting a little bit more bold with adding these boxes. Now I'm just going to fill in the weather and all that. I don't need to do that with you. You'll see that in the look back. But kind of fun to add some different colors or flowers and decorative things. I think these are probably for February, or what do you call it, Valentine's Day? Because, well, these are pop of splash of color, so maybe not. Maybe the XOs I thought maybe were for Valentine's Day, but I just thought the colors kind of worked well with this plaid, this right here, this check. So yeah, I think this is really pretty, really happy. I will probably add a little bit more and then, you know, always using my pens to add some color in here. So that is week 19. It's so fun. This totally is not how I thought this was gonna turn out. I initially said I was gonna use the green. I ended up with the orange, found some fun stickers from my new sticker books from Happy Planner, threw them in here randomly, kind of trying to not load them too much on too many columns so that they're sort of spread out and some weight over here, etc. I love how it turned out. It's a mix of totally different sticker sets and it's fun. So I am really looking forward to this next week and coming in here every day, writing in what my to-dos are, my schedule, and all the things. I'm actually enjoying the sticker, the big sticker, the habit tracker sticker that I put right here. I mean, I had it from last month from my happy place. So this is the Planner Kate one. So I'm going to be interested to see how I like this, if I'm going to use this moving forward, if I'm not going to use it, if I'm going to write them in again. I don't know, but I like sort of changing it up, seeing what works. It's so fun to get in here and do this. It's like such a nice time with myself. I've got my coffee. It's really quiet. The house hasn't woken up yet, and I can plan my week ahead with you. I just love that I'm doing this weekly, that I can focus on just little bits of time, and then I'm going to set the rest of it up, add the weather, figure out what my habit tracker things are, which are the same week to week to week. It's like reading, weights, water, whatever. Put that in there. Put in the calendar items that I think I have coming up and some notes and to-dos. And you'll all see that in the recap that I do next week. But it's just fun to see how each week is so different. Even if using the same basic structure, everyone does it differently, and how they like to plan is different, and how I like to plan is a lot different than a lot of people probably. But I love seeing how my planning, my decorating structure changes even week to week. It's totally different. And thank you so much for hanging out and being a part of this weekly series. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you're using for May. Are you mixing and matching different stickers? Or do you like just really simple, minimal? Like, what are you using? Let me know what you're using for June and July. July, Planner Kate releases to purchase this week. And so I'm going to look at those. And then we have Laurel Denise's new academic planners coming out. I noticed, because I watched the video, that the Kristys are in like a silver and like a navy, it looks like. They don't have the pocket in the back, which I don't think is a total, problem. I do use this pocket for the stickers that I have, but they're adding another page that is blank between the main calendar and so I think right before the last week and the monthly, they're putting in a full blank page so that you can put all the kind of stuff in there, decorate or do whatever you want, lists or to-dos, and I think that's kind of really cool. So definitely check out the Laurel Denise What's Coming for Academic. So that would be July 1st, 2026 to June 2027 dated. They also have the teacher, the academic teacher ones, and there's a new planner too that they are debuting as well. So I have a code if you're interested in purchasing, and a link that I'll put in the description. If you have any questions or want to know what I'm using, definitely leave a comment, let me know, and I would be happy to help you with whatever I'm using. So thank you so much for being with me this week. This was week 19, and I will see you next week for week 20.